Thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make a restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make American street food. It's going to be called Jim Originals. Now what he do up there, and I will leave you a link and a clip to it, they have grilled pork chops. And that's what this is. Mine's been marinating. Then they got Polishes. These are going to be our Maxwell Polishes. Then they have burgers right here, real burgers. Alright, now here's the bread that they use. They use this Marianne bread right here. But guys, this is what you're going to need. And they have some buns, hamburger buns right here. So those. Here's my serrano peppers right here. Been marinating for about a week. Right here, just some seasoning I mixed up and stuff. You really don't have to put no seasoning on yours, but I'm putting some on mine. All right, right here is some corn oil right here. This is what they use in the video. So when you watch the video, you're gonna notice I got everything that they have. Besides all the onions. So this is my onions that I sliced up myself. This is roughly about 6 onions sliced up, large onions. All right, so this is a gallon bag, and that's what we're going to be doing today. And I'll show you guys what how we set it up on the grill. So I can't do it here because I don't have a little grill. So I'm going over to my auntie house, and shout out to her for letting me use her grill. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and start with some of this corn oil. This on the grill. This is what they use in the video. So make sure you guys use the same thing if you're going to go ahead and make this. Like so. I have my onions right here. I'll put those on here. Just gonna grill these up so they get nice and translucent. I know you guys don't want to see me doing this for a long period of time, so I'll show you what we'll be doing after this. You guys in a minute. Okay, fam. Wet it down some here. You don't want to cook them all the way. You're going to take these and put them in this pan over here. Now we're going to come on here for our Polishes. Put a little bit of oil on here. Just a little bit. And our Polishes and our burgers. All the Polishes like that. This is going to be our Maxwell. Might be able to put all of it on there. These are quarters. These are a little bit bigger than their burgers. We're going to maintain it. I'm going to try to fix these pork chops on here. pork chop. Bone in, guys, bone in. All right. A little oil on that. Alright guys, go ahead and cook this up and show you guys what it's looking like. There's the pork chop and all the Polish is over there. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Pork chops are done. So what I'm going to do here, fry some of these onions. The pan is over here. I'm just going to stack these bad boys like they did in the video. Put them in over there. Burger's done. Get flipped again. Turn this down a little bit. Alright guys, all I'm going to do is just clean this up a little bit and put these on in here with the onions and all this stuff, and that'll be it. And I'll show you how they look when we all done. Okay? So here's how the pork chops and the burgers look up in here. Just like that. We're all covered up in onion, as you can see. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this Chicago Gym Originals pork chop, Maxwell Street Polishes, and cheeseburger. And they have everything that you want on there. If you guys ain't checked it out, you need to go check it out. Please go check it out. They off the chain. That's the cheeseburger. You can't see it, got cheese on it. Yeah. Yes, sir. This is Chicago Gym's Original. Best way, I mean the best I can get it. Okay, and the people that loved it. So I advise you guys to try to go ahead and make this recipe. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell. Alright? Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. I thank you for watching. See you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.